Hello everyone, today we are learning how to revise ABC phrases and the answers for yesterday's free lessons. So if you haven't signed up my free course yet, do not forget to go to K.I.S.S.com to sign up the free IELTS writing course. And Chinese students need to go to this link to watch the 2 hours free lecture, and you can scan the QR code at the right corner to follow me on WeChat. And so we are learning how to revise ABC phrases. So question of the today: how to use ABC below to write the answer for the topic. So we learned this ABC last time. Interact with people from our sub-life. This can help you listen empathetically, express thoughts clearly, so that you can develop your social skills. And I told you that there are about over 10 topics that you can use these ABC phrases. But every time when you use these ABC phrases, you need to revise them. Otherwise, they cannot fit in this specific topic. So today we are learning this skill. I'll give you an example. Today's learning objective is to revise basic ABC according to different topics. So let's have a look at this topic. Some people think that all students can benefit from at least 1 year away from study between the secondary school. We learned this actually last time. It's about after you finishing your secondary school, before going to university, you will have 1 year to maybe explore the world and to travel, or maybe to get a part-time job in a year. So what can this help you? Why this can help you develop your social skills? So we need to apply this ABC, in talking about how does having a gap year will help you develop your social skills. So the first phrase should be the topic. So the keywords in this topic. So this topic is about having a 1 year away from study. So it's called having a gap year. And then second is the ABC phrase is the first phrase. Yeah, the first phrase. These allow you to interact with people from all walks of life. So interact is the key part here. But when you're having the gap year, it is more about giving you an opportunity to deal with people from different cultures, because most of the time you will travel abroad, or maybe you will, let's say traveling abroad, or maybe you will get a job in another country. Most students will go for traveling, and what can this specifically going to a different country can help you to do. Maybe traveling around the world can help you to do. Then you can say, provide students with opportunity to interact with people from diverse cultural backgrounds. The reason why did I change the all walks of life to diverse cultural background is to use this one to better reflect the characteristics or the benefit of the gap year, because gap year is more about travel abroad. More about traveling around the world and having different customs, beliefs, and mindsets. These are all the people from different countries. And next one, this can help students practice their abilities to listen empathetically. And here I change a little bit. Respond. Instead of saying express thoughts clearly, respond accordingly or appropriately, I put respond and behave. So when you interact with people, we mentioned that when we interact with people, it involves behaviors, right? Your gestures, your facial expressions. Maybe in different country, you need to follow their customs. And in this case, we put respond and behave appropriately according to what? According to others' habits. Because people in different countries, they have different habits. That's why I put according to others' habits. And the last one, you can just say enhance social skills. So instead of copy and pasting the basic ABC phrases, we changed a little bit. We used the different cultural backgrounds, customs, beliefs, and mindsets to replace all walks of life. Because all walks of life is more about people of different positions, of different jobs. So it's more suitable for those maybe working in companies instead of traveling abroad. So that is why we revise this ABC in this way. And a tip for you is that every time when you want to revise the B or the C phrases, always go you always go back to the keyword. Ask yourself, what does the keyword mean to you? What is the, let's say, the specific behaviors, the actions related to the keyword? For example, having a gap year means traveling abroad, or maybe means having a job in a company. So in this case, you can also further explain the gap year. You can say traveling abroad or working in a travel abroad or working in a company. So we can further change this one for a year. In this one, you can express more specific and precise meaning, traveling abroad or working in a company for a year. Now let's have a look at the next topic. Next topic is the one that we talked about last time. You can compare these two. So this topic is more about having a job, having a part-time job. So when you have a part-time job, you can do what? You can, number B, when you have the interact with people from our life, and these people including your coworkers, managers, customers. So that's why I further explain this one by using some specific positions or people of different jobs. And you can see this one, I put people of different cultural backgrounds. So that's why if you have this ability to revise your ABC phrases according to the keywords in the topic, it will help you have a better score. I would say it would help you to achieve 8. Okay, this is all about today's lesson. So the learning objective of today is to revise basic ABC phrases according to the different topics. So the skill you need to develop is that understand using the most simple words or phrases to explain the keywords, and then every time when it comes to B and C, change some keywords to reflect the keywords in the topic.